Alright guys, I wanna I wanna show you something that I seen. See on the bottom right corner. Look at it. Look at it. As you can see, there's an object flying by. I'm being serious. I'm not that good at editing, or this is a live stream. As you can see, I'll just zoom in later. You can see there an object just flew by. And later on, it flies again. I can't find it. I can't find it. Where was it? So that bright object. It wasn't the sun. It wasn't the sun. It was this. Yes. That's it. That's it. As you can see, it's flying up, and NASA just pretends to blur up the image. So here you have it. UFOs are real.